Today in this video, I will show you on how to turn on two-step verification in Google account. If you want to secure your Gmail account from hackers, this is the best way to secure your account. Think about it. If somebody somehow knows your Google account password, he or she can access your account. However, if two-step verification is on, then you will receive a notification that asks, "Are you trying to sign in?" If you are, then click on "Yes, it's me." But if you are not doing this, then carefully click on "No, don't allow," and immediately change your password. Now you know how important it is. Let's move to the step to turn on two-step verification. First of all, open the Gmail application on your mobile and then click on the profile icon. Here, you will see all your Google accounts. If you have multiple accounts, but your Google account is not at the top, then change to the Google account that you want to turn on two-step verification and then click on the Google account option below your profile. Now, here you have to scroll to the left side up to the Security tab and then scroll down. In the Security tab, you can see that the two-step verification option has appeared. Now, simply click on the two-step verification option, scroll down and then click on the Turn on Two-Step Verification option. Now, just enter your mobile number here by choosing your country code on the left side. After entering your mobile number, just click on the next option and then you will receive an OTP code from Google. Now enter this code and then just click on Verify. Now this is the last step. Just click on Turn on Two-Step Verification. Now, see written here, you're now protected. To complete this, just click on Done. Now all your steps have been completed. To see this, go back to the Security option. Here you will see that the two-step verification option is ticked. This is how you can simply turn on two-step verification. If you are able to turn on two-step verification, please do like and subscribe.